Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur, and I'm back with another video. So this is another DIY video. I'm super excited. I have my DIY jeans on now. You will see the full video at the end because you got to see how we arrived to these baddies, y'all. You can't even see them. I did my own little panels on the side. Ignore that part. But sis, these jeans are super cute. I love how they came out. I got exactly what I was looking for with the look. I'll actually post a picture on one of these sides, probably this side, so you can see it's styled real cute. So this is what you're gonna see, y'all. So make sure that you continue to watch. Before we get into it, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for notifications so that anytime I upload a video you are notified. Go ahead and thumbs up this video, comment down below, and share this video with your friends. You already know. You already know. Alright. Okay, you guys, so I'm starting with them jeans. I got these from the thrift store. I don't know if you guys remember my thrifting haul. I added those panels. Don't worry about those. We're still practicing on our sewing machine. The jeans were about $4. And then I just went to my parents' house and printed out the logos on 4 different big pieces of paper. Then I went to Michael's, as you saw in the bag. I got some poster board paper, some sponge brushes, and then 7 paints. When you buy your paints, make sure that they're all either gloss or satin, because the outdoor ones were a little bit harder to get into the fabric, I realized afterwards. So what I'm doing first is I'm cutting out the paper portion, and this is to create the stencil. So you just want to cut out everything that's black and keep that, and put everything that's white on this part to the side, if that makes sense. Really super simple. If you know how to cut, you know how to do this, girl. Like, that's really all you gotta do, poo. It's just simple. And guys, excuse my rug because I'm very ghetto for not vacuuming before filming this, but you know, this is how it be sometimes. Okay, so I cut out most of them. I'm just gonna show you how I cut out just the last one here, which is the circle one. Yeah, like, it's really nothing much to say about it. Just watch me cut. Watch me cut. Watch me cut. If you're not good at cutting, I would recommend maybe some smaller scissors so that when you're turning or whatever, you don't like cut into any areas. But that's only if you're really not good at it and you kind of are like a sloppy cutter or whatever. I would use smaller scissors, but usually these scissors, like a standard pair of scissors, should work fine. Alright, so after that, I went ahead and started my stencils. I had to do this off camera because I was like kind of confused. So what you have to do is, you have to start with tracing. You can use a pencil or just a pen and lightly trace whatever those black pieces were and trace those out. So whatever was black would have to now be white. And I'm saying that for a reason because in the beginning I'm like, cut out everything that's black. Yeah. So whatever you cut out that was black, that is going to be the part of your stencil. So for example, the one that I'm doing now, I have to cut a circle and then another, and then I have to keep out that flower part. I have to keep that flower part, and then that is gonna, whoo, I can't speak English. That is what is gonna create the shape on the jeans. So whatever part you want the color to be is the part that you should see on the denim. Pretty simple, I think. I just suck at explaining, I think, but you know, just watch how I'm cutting. Alright, so once we got that out, see, I'm showing you now I have to cut out round and make that circle. So I cut that circle out, so now it's a circle in the center. Now I'm cutting out that little center of the flower and then dropping that down on there, and then that's how you make that stencil. So now I'm just moving them around to how I want them placed on each leg. Well, I'm doing one leg at a time, so I'm just placing it and making sure I like the way that it's gonna fall. Remember, whatever is white is going to be blank spaces. It's going to be denim, so don't think that these are going to be this close together, because I want them to go all the way down the leg. Alright, so now I'm using my acrylic paints. Like I said, make sure you do not buy the outdoor one. This pink was the outdoor one, and it immediately just kind of like soaked in. So I kind of had to like do this one a lot harder than I had to do the other ones to get them the color. But I did make 2 layers on each color. As you can see, it's just not really giving us, it's not giving us pigments right now. But then I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna have to dump this directly on the jeans, because it wasn't giving me life. And here is when I'm like, nope. Dump it right on there. So this is really just the same process over and over. If it's soothing for you to watch someone color in, you're welcome. I don't know. But I'm just doing this over and over with each color. For the first leg, I know I poured blue, but I decided to use purple instead. I was trying to figure out a way where they would all contrast each other on either way. I don't know how to explain what I mean by that, but I knew I was going to use pink the twice for the LV, because pink is my favorite color, so I wanted that to be like the main color in a sense. Yeah. So after I did that first leg of the 2 layers, I'm going to show you how I laid down this side. So I'm just going to I put tape underneath them, so I'm just trying to make sure that the outside is taped down, and then I'll tape down the flower part in the center and just make sure that's nice and pressed in, and that way it won't budge and move. Okay, and then we do the same thing. So over the orange, you want to put red, because red will cover orange. Over the blue, over the purple, you would want to put the blue, because that will actually I mean, these things are dried so on this paper already, so it didn't have any effect on it. But in case it's still wet, make sure you do it that way so that you don't have any issues with the color kind of like mixing or whatever. But it just so happens that I did it this way and it worked out pretty good, so yeah. Oh my god, my floor is so horrible. I'm really a bad person. I promise you guys, I vacuumed right after this. I saw this and I was like, oh no, girl. I didn't think it was that bad, but that lighting just shows you all your flaws. Okay, so here I am pulling them off. Like some of them, you have to hold it down really neat, and I had an issue with that for some odd reason. So some of them kind of messed up a little bit, but I didn't mind too much. I don't mind it not being super perfect, you know. I'm gonna probably do this again on a different pair of jeans, because I just wish the jeans fit better. So when I do it again, it's gonna be better. I'm probably not gonna film it because it's gonna be the same process, but I'll do it better. You guys, so here is the top of the jeans. I know I showed a picture in the beginning, but I just want to show you them on me, kind of like in action. See the whole jeans together. So this is how they look. Like I said, I did sew my own panels on the side because these jeans were too small for me, and then I just made them too big for me. But I wanted them to be a little loose. I wanted to give those mom jean vibes. Like that's what I wanted, and I cuffed them at the bottom or whatever like that, and it was just super easy. It's not perfect, the designs, but you know what, that's kind of what I like about it. Sometimes it's cute for it to look like a little bit like a distressed paint. My only thing about it is that I think they just wash out. Like when I wash my hands, literally it just rolled off. So I'm not sure what would happen if these jeans got washed. I really don't know. There's only really one way to find out. Hey you guys, so it's time for our giveaway winner! Woo! Why is this sweater slow? Okay you guys, so here we go. Here is the winner of the giveaway. It is, I just had to look at the name and I have my phone in my hand. Carly Pierce. So that is who won this giveaway. Boo, just in case you forgot, you're about to win 2 wigs, a t-shirt dress, some earrings, a palette, some lashes, a nail set, press on nail set. Oh gosh, what else was I throwing in there? Child, I forgot the whole giveaway, but sis, you won. So make sure that you DM me on Instagram so you give me all your information. I should be having everything out to you before the holiday. This week is gonna be a little crazy, so just make sure you DM me and I should be shipping out within the week. So congratulations, and I want to thank everyone for going ahead and joining my giveaway. I really appreciate you guys. I will be doing another giveaway and it will probably be more stuff than now. So don't be discouraged if you didn't win. I know, like, when you don't win giveaways, it's like, dang, I don't never win, because I usually don't never win nothing, to be quite honest. But everyone couldn't win, but it was generated. I didn't pick them per se. I just looked it up, saw that they did the rules, and that was that. I'm sorry if you hit construction, because I live in New York City. But thank you guys so much. Congratulations again, Carly Pierce. Can't wait till your DM. Send me your information. And bye guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.